Is your Toshiba non-smart TV turning on and off unexpectedly? This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy your favorite shows. In this guide, we'll tackle how to fix Toshiba non-smart TV turning on and off. Stick around as we go through several troubleshooting steps that can help you solve this issue and get back to uninterrupted viewing. Step 1. Inspect the power source. The first step in addressing your Toshiba TV's power issue is to inspect the power source thoroughly. Unplug the TV from the wall socket and examine the power cable for any visible damage or fraying. Ensure that the plug is securely connected to both the TV and the power outlet. If you suspect the outlet might be malfunctioning, try plugging the TV into a different outlet to rule out a faulty socket. It's surprising how often a simple connection issue is at the heart of the problem. Step 2. Check the remote control. Sometimes a malfunctioning remote control can cause your TV to behave erratically, turning on and off without input. Remove the batteries from the remote to see if the issue persists. In some cases, the remote might be transmitting signals to the TV without your knowledge. If removing the batteries stops the on-off cycle, replace the remote's batteries or consider investing in a new remote control altogether. It's an inexpensive solution that can save you a lot of trouble. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. A simple power cycle can reset your TV and potentially resolve the issue. To perform a power cycle, unplug the TV and wait for at least 10 minutes to ensure that the device fully resets. Afterward, plug it back in and turn on the TV to see if the issue persists. A power cycle resets the internal electronics, which can clear any glitches that might be causing the power cycling problem. Step 4. Evaluate the settings. Modern TVs come with various settings that can affect their operation, even if they're not smart TVs. Navigate through your TV's settings menu using the buttons on the TV or a working remote. Look for any features related to energy saving or sleep timers and disable them to see if this resolves the issue. Sometimes these settings can inadvertently cause the TV to turn off when you least expect it. Step 5. Consider software or firmware issues. Even non-smart TVs occasionally receive firmware updates. Check the manufacturer's website for any available updates for your TV model. If updates are available, follow the instructions to update the firmware. While this step relates more to smart TVs, it can sometimes affect non-smart models with basic software requirements. By following these straightforward steps, you have a good chance of resolving the issue of your Toshiba non-smart TV turning on and off. Whether it's ensuring a stable power connection or checking remote controls, each of these actions brings you closer to a stable viewing experience. Remember to troubleshoot step by step to isolate the problem efficiently. If these steps fail to solve the issue, you may need to consult a professional technician for further diagnosis. Thank you for watching, and here's hoping your TV issues are soon a thing of the past. Enjoy your uninterrupted shows.